Make path for yourself, path for the other female employees who will join and will also grow and learn from you. Make a support system. Improve your skills, your commitments, your area of interest. Just start doing things which influences you, which influences others.
Today I am here with Megha Makode, DGM of VE Commercial Vehicles. She's been in the organization for the last 25 years and she's also handling POSH at the plant level, and she's also handling project management. Hi.
Hi.
I have few questions with you. So I would like to ask you, when you started the organization 25 years back, I'm sure engineering as a profession and as a field is a very male dominated field. And I think back then most fields were male dominated. When you began as the first female trainee and in the organization, did you see yourselves very unconventional or indifferent or different to, other people?
See, when I joined back in 1997, I completed my engineering that time. And I knew it that the industry is male dominated, completely male dominated. In fact, my first company where I was interviewed, it was one of the best automobile industry. But I was rejected on the note that we are not ready right now for a female employee to join us. So yes, it was, but then I took it as an opportunity. I had that commitment कि the industry is not, like engineers are not only for the male. So let's explore and move forward. I'll be able to have good opportunities and will grow in the organization. When I joined VECV back in 1997, yes, there were very, very few females, and I was the only female in my department. There were challenges for me facing so many male people around me. But then the male also had the challenges being the only female को accept करना and try to be accommodative with them.
Absolutely, yeah.
But then the thought process went on कि yes, they have given me a chance to grow. They've given me the opportunities. They have taught me how to handle people around. They have taught me how to groom my skills. And that way, I became an engineer from the first women trainee or the first women engineer. I've been the part of them. So I started being called as, okay, she's a member of us. She's not the female employee over here. So that's
not just a female, but she's amongst us.
amongst us. So that change took time, but yes, it happened.
Okay. And what would you probably tell fellow young women who are starting out? And I'm sure even today, since I've visited your plants and everything, I'm sure even today you hardly see, like a big number or big percentage of women employees. So what would you like to tell young women who are starting out as engineers in extremely technical fields and on the field, basically?
See, at present, our company is working towards inclusion of females. So we have 9% of inclusivity right now, female employees. And I always say them that don't doubt on your place in the room.
Yeah.
You are actually, you are part of that and you belong to that room.
Right.
Don't ever compare yourself with the male employees. Always have that feeling in mind that what I'm doing is I'm doing for my growth. I'm improving my skill sets. So learn and grow in that fashion. Make path for yourself, path for the other female employees who will join and who will also grow and learn from you. Make a support system. Improve your skills, your commitments, your area of interest. Just start doing things which influences you, which influences others. So don't ever think of the specifically for the females. The other colleague of mine who is a male employee, he is more closer to my boss or he is doing well. No, it's you who are able to do it well than that.
Right. Yeah, don't hold the gender.
That don't have that in your back of the mind that because me being a female, there's a difference which has been created. No, it is not. You both you both are growing together and you're enjoying the life. Just have that things in mind and grow yourself.
Uh, Also in the last 25 years, not just in the automobile industry, but also overall in the manufacturing space, what do you feel has changed for women in terms of opportunities and in terms of how women are hired and how women are treated?
See, last 25 years, the industry and the automotive sector has grown up significantly. If I talk about our organization itself, at Bhopal plant, which is one of the best plant, we have a complete female line, a complete women line. These women's are manufacturing trucks.
Okay.
So changes are clearly seen. There is emphasis on women inclusivity, as well as there are fields where in women's are also uh, part of the technical discussion. They are part of the innovation. They are part of the leadership roles also.
Right.
So changes have, or no doubt, there is a lot of changes which has been done, and the females have got more opportunities and more powers nowadays.
For sure. So throughout your career, if you are to give like one advice of how to hold yourselves like a leader and how to lead, not just on a very senior position, but how do you start from ground up, but while acting as a leader? So if there would be like one thing that you would pass on as a lesson, what would that be?
See, I'll always say all my female friends, female colleagues that stay grounded, be people centric, have a good collaboration with your other team members, uh, go with thing in mind that you've got another group of females who are waiting for you to give you a support system. Grow yourself, make a path for themselves, start mentoring them, and given opportunities to all.
Anything you would like to share while working as a posh head as well in your company? Anything you would like to share uh, in terms of that? Any experience or any contribution you felt was
See, as a posh member, normally what we in the industry when we have a big industry like VACV, we have many members who are not only employees but they are off-role employees also. So, making awareness to them means giving in proper information to them. That itself is a bit difficult because you can educate your employees, but then giving that information to all the off-road people and making them aware of what exactly Posh is. So we have been doing this awareness session of the strengthening our this sensitivity programs and giving a Posh awareness session. We are also strengthening the reporting mechanism, of any cases which has come up. So that also we are doing. We are also connecting with the females, trying to connect with them every month, and then also listen to all the grievances they have. We are making them independent. We are trying to make them understand that we cannot always talk about ki I being a female, I always want this. So you have to have you have to grow by holding hand hold up. Means you cannot like say that I being female, I should be given more opportunities. If you are there in an organization where males are more prominent, be with them,
right.
learn with them, and then grow with them.
Grow together.
Yes,
Don't outshine yourselves or don't try to go away
right.
from the troop. Be with them.
Be with them, learn with them, and don't always say that I am in problem. We always try to teach them it's not only the posh sessions or it is not about the awareness sessions, but it is about grooming them also.
Right.
So that also we do at the company level.
Okay. So would you say that if a person has their expertise or their sense of knowledge of whether it's technicality or anything that they are engaged in terms of work. If that is headstrong, then I think you're saying that gender is something
Right.
secondary to a larger level.
Yes, you should have good knowledge, good skills. You should keep learning. You should not always think of कि at this age my learning is completed or I have passed out of college, my learning is completed. I being at such an age, I am still learning. I'm still trying to put on my knowledge. I'm learning from the kids. I'm learning from all the females around. So you should not think that कि if I come to an industry, I'm over. So start learning and start deploying the things to your roles.
Overall, how was your experience in the industry for 25 years and also leading and making your way up till here as a DGM?
It has been a wonderful journey. There was a good support system of my company, my family, my parents, my husband, my kids. So things does not go that you keep working and then there's only one thing in life, that is work. So there are other aspects also of you being in the such a position. There's a back end support which is always there to me. So not only the organization, the family has been very supportive to me. My male, female, both colleagues, employees have been supporting to me. So it is not that that I have felt like any grievances to me. I'm really very proud of myself. I'm proud that I'm over here and such a good level and such a good organization.
Okay, Megha, it was great chatting with you, and you shared some really good insights about your experience. And thank you for being here. Thank you for being at the Leadership Conclave and chatting with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And do share and like and subscribe.